Here, record another one.
Why does it still go on my shoulder?
Yeah. He's running. Watch as we find this crikey bird. Ooh. You got to get up to him with your hand out and some bread in your hand.
Get up, right up on the bird.
He shall fly over.
Get right up on the bird. Like, right up on the bird.
Right up on the bird.
Watch. Watch as we get right up on the bird.
Watch as we get right up on the bird. You have to make him an offering of bread. I offer this to you, King. King Bluebird.
Yeah, that's how we do.
He's gonna peck you.
Yeah,
he keeps biting my finger.
He's like, fuck you, human. I heard that too. He was biting the shit out of you.
Fence, dude. That green.
Birds don't like us, dude.
And this has been the first episode of Wild Nature with Cody MuthaFukin Miller.
Yeah.